guys, this is Dawn from Family That Games, and I am reviewing the rugged case for the iPad. They sent us two models, one with the iPad in it so that we can test out the case. This one has a handle on it, and the other one that we have in the box here does not have a handle, so either a handle or no handle. So this is how it comes in the box. It comes with the stand to put on the back, and each of the, I don't know what they're really called, if they're called maybe pins, to put the case on. So you put your iPad in here, and then you just put the pins in each one of these holes. The stand on the back fits in really easy. You just push these things in there and it's then ready to go. So that's a really neat feature. It also comes with a screen protector too. So everything's in here that you need to install right on your iPad. So that is the one with without the handle. And then I have this one with the handle. So you can see this one has the stand on the back, and you can set that up. So if we were watching, you know, something here, it can stand like that, or it can also stand like this, which comes in pretty handy, you know, when you're watching something or just want to touch the screen on it. So now, these are very durable, and I was told that I could do a drop test with it, which makes me really nervous, but I'm going to try to do a drop test. I'm going to do the first drop test in the grass, and then I'm going to move to concrete. So, let's hope. Alright, I've got Abby in as our tester. She doesn't want to drop it, but ready? Here we go, Abby. Drop. Ooh, it almost fell to the sidewalk. Let's see. Nothing. Everything looks great. Alright, Ab. Are you ready to drop it on the sidewalk?
No. I don't want to drop it.
Okay, here we go. Drop it from above. No, not the little drop. Okay, Abby, ready? And 3, 2, 1, drop. And drop. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Looks good. Nothing. And did you notice, like, the sound of that bouncing? You could tell that it was protected. I love that. All right, so normally we don't go around and, you know, drop things on purpose, but you can feel good with the rugged cases, knowing that if for some reason you do drop it, it's going to be protected. So make sure to check out the Rugged website for all of the different products that they offer. I'll have the links below and in the actual product review. Thanks for watching.